Good morning, my friends. My name is Dany Perez, Senior Trader and Co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, and today we're going to see the pre-market analysis for the future of the S&P 500. Good morning, my friend. My name is Dany Perez. Here we are in the future of the mini of the S&P 500. We are able to see a lot of things. The first is that we had a very big retracement, that smash with a very strong with this support area that was resistant before, and now the market is trying to have a definition why it's going to do, if it's going to continue to go to the downside, or if it's going to still it's just a retracement, so more continuation to the upside. If you see the volume increase because these two sell off day, now we are able to see a lot of things. The first is that we are going to have these head and shoulders, and it's going to continue to go back, or if the market is going to break this resistance area, that's going to be annoying, and it's going to continue in order to go to the all-time highs again. If we see here a chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see that the market here is trying to do something similar than here, and we need to see what's going to happen in this spot, if the market is going to continue or not. Remember here, the market breaks this important trend line to the downside and use it as a support in order to try to do a continuation or to try to do a very important trend to the upside. We see here a chart with a little bit more detail. We're able to see that we have here an important short-term trend line to the upside, and now the market is respecting. If we are above that trend line, probably the market is going to reach the price again 31.23. In order to see if the market is going to continue to go to the upside, or if it breaks, probably it's going to go and trying to do something very similar than this. It's going to consolidate or oscillate between the two areas, and probably the trades that has the more probability are going to be the borders. And we need to wait and see when the market breaks. Is the break to the upside? Probably we are going to have slow motion movements in order to go to the upside, or if the market is going to go to the downside, probably here we're going to have some aggressive movement to the downside, but probably here we have a lot of people taking position here to the upside, or if the market breaks, probably we are going to have some violent movement, a lot of aggressive movement to the downside. That means that here probably we are going to think in short term in short, but in long term probably we are going to think in long. That means that this market is going to offer a lot of opportunities in both sides, and we need to take advantage because we know the borders and how to calculate the borders. About the news for today, we just have the OPEC meeting today and tomorrow. It's going to be very important, but I believe that the market is expecting what is going to happen about the employment rate and what is going to happen about the consumer sentiment. That's going to be very important for us. That means that probably today we have a lot of news that are going to be in both sides, but I believe that these two news and that are going to be tomorrow probably are going to be that the news that the market are expecting right now. Well, my friends, if you have any doubt about trading, please don't hesitate to write us. We are going to be here. Our email is going to be info@mdctradingacademy.com, and we are going to be eager to speak with you about trading. Hope you have a very good day of trading, and we see you tomorrow.